శ్రీమన్ మహాభారతము 556th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్ మహాభారతము సభాపర్వము 46th chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja. Vyasa Maharshi saying to Dharmaraju like this, O Dharmaja, because of you and because of the mistakes committed by Duryodhana and through Bhima and Arjuna's valorous strength, there comes a day on which all the Kshatriyas will fight each other on this earth and there will be a huge destruction. O Dharmaja, one fine day early in the morning you will see one dream in which you will see Paramasiva, who is Neelakantham, Bhavam Sthanum, Kapalim, Tripurantakam, Vugram, Rudram, Pasupatim, Mahadevam, Vumapatim, Haram, Servam, Vrusham, Sulam, Pinakim, Kritivasasam. Paramasiva, who is Vrushabhadhvaja, Neelakantha, Bhava, Sthana, Kapali, Tripurantaka, Vugra, Rudra, Pasupati, Mahadeva, Vumapati, Hara, Serva, Vrusha, Suli, Pinaki, Charma Vasana. You will see such Paramasiva in your dream one fine day, early in the morning. In that dream, Paramasiva will be looking at south side, which is the shelter for all Pitrudevatas. So, you don't have to worry about all this from now onwards. O Dharmaja, you should understand, you should realize that you cannot go against the time, Kalam. You cannot bring Kalam under your control. So now, let me go to Kailasam. Swastitestu gamishyami Kailasam parvatam prati. May you be safe. I am now going to Kailasam. You try to bring all your senses under your control and rule this entire world nicely. Like that, Vyasa Maharshi said to Dharmaraju and along with his disciples went to Kailasa Parvatam. After Vyasa Maharshi left, Dharmaraju started worrying about that and he is now talking to his brothers like this, Oh my dear brothers, you all have heard what Vyasa Maharshi said. So after hearing from Vyasa Maharshi, I am feeling like dying right now. Because of me, there is going to be huge destruction. So what is the purpose of me being alive now? I want to die. Like that, when Dharmaraju said, Arjuna now talking to Dharmaraju like this. What Arjuna is saying, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, 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 Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.